Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the tire sensors for BMW 750i. So we need to get, this is 11mm socket, and we unscrew this right here. As you can see, it releases. And then we just install a new one. So as you can see, this is the original one, and you have to tighten this. Like for example, this one is like
same as this. Look,
wobbling right now. But
same.
Yes, and then you have to tighten this bolt right here.
It is adjustable.
Once you adjust it on the
get as close
on
as
the
possible
rim.
to just.
So
Oh, you see,
let's
stick
go
it.
ahead.
You clean it and stick it.
Okay, so we clean the wheel from the inside. Okay, so mine comes with a washer, so make sure you remove the washer and insert it like this, so this would be rubber inside. Like this, and then install the washer. And install this here. So when you're buying these, they give you like for 5 years or 3 years, so it really depends how much the battery lasts on them. So if you want to get more life, then take more life, otherwise you will have to replace them again. Okay, so installed it. As you can see, the rubber is squished, and also this is not moving, so tighten this with this kind of tool. Don't over tight because it may crack.